Hello, my name is Robel Nagache, and this is my week 7 Promineo Tech assignment. So the first step that we were tasked with was to create a schema within my SQL workbench named projects, as you can see here. Set this schema up here. The next step was to create a user and give that schema certain privileges. So as you can see here, this is my user projects, and this is the schema as well. We were tasked to provide all privileges except there's a grant option here, which I have done. The next step was to go into Eclipse and create a Maven project, which I have here. So we were tasked to update the POM a little bit. So we were told to provide some dependencies. So as you can see here, I provided my MySQL dependency, as well as a Maven compiler plugin. And I also proprietarized the Java version, as you can see here. We added that to a property here, and we've externalized those properties. Java version for source and target, as you can see. The next steps were to create the project packages. So as you can see here, if I close all of them, we have our projects package, our projects.dao package, our projects.entity package, our projects.exception package, and our projects.service package. As you can see here to my left in my package explorer. The next step was to create an exception class within projects.exception package called DB exception, as you can see here. This next step after that was to create the JDBC connection class that connects to our database. So that I have created here, DB connection, this class named DB connection, and I've connected my database using this class here. The next step was to create a main class within our main, our root of the project, and I've named that projects.app. So this is where we will basically start coding our project during our next steps. And our final touches was to basically create a .gitignore file. Second. So again, our last step was to create a gitignore file, which I have here. After I have pushed my code to my repository in GitHub, I've set up my gitignore file, which is to ignore the settings file, the .settings file, and the target. So that is my Promineo Tech week 7 assignment. Thank you.